All right, so this morning we went on a bike ride, and that's something I've ridden bicycles before, but I've never done single track, and I wish I could have shown you more, but I left the mount on my 3D printer, and I couldn't clip it to my backpack. Next time, definitely, we're bringing you guys along for the ride. But today, we're getting some help from my cousin to install this mini split. Today we just need to vacuum it out, purge the line, hopefully make some cold air, because it is getting hot here in Alaska now. How long does it take to vacuum it?
The vacuum, it all depends on the line set length, but
Okay.
This one shouldn't take but a couple minutes.
Oh, okay. Still have that 300 psi on it.
Yeah, so it's pushing back. So now, once it starts reading, it'll probably start off 9,000 microns or something like that. We want to get it down to 500 microns. Okay. At least 500. Yep, now we power it on and...
Those fingers?
Yeah.
Right.
Right here?
Yep.
It did a thing.
It's quiet.
That's so quiet. Yeah, it's getting colder. It's definitely getting colder. That's so exciting.
Should we try heat as well?
Yeah, might as well.
Hmm?
Yeah, I feel it.
You feel it?
Coming over here.
It is pretty warm.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
The pups are out of their cones, but they are still on, have to be on low, what's it called? Low energy output type mode. So we are going to keep them on the leash today, but they get to go on an adventure. This is the mount that I 3D printed to hold the Osmo on my little backpack right here. It wasn't done printing by the time we were ready to ride, but today it is. So first things first that we're gonna do is go to Walmart and get another hydration bladder. I usually buy one every year. And onto the highway. Head out to Big Lake. Alright, so I'm here at the O'Reilly's and Stephanie just informed me that there's a massive traffic jam. So we got that to look forward to. She's in the truck, headed up there with the dogs, and I'll follow in behind on the bike. This must be what Stephanie was talking about. I'm gonna need a clutch by the time I get there. It's kind of ridiculous. Hey, is there another way? To the left? the highway, you turn right. Well, I'm turning around. So the camera died on the way in, so I'm not sure what you guys got, but this here is Big Lake, Alaska. It's like, what, 9:30?
Yeah, about that.
9:30-ish, 10 o'clock-ish. The mosquitoes out here are crazy.
Yeah, they're pretty big.
They're huge, and they're relentless.
V6 is running fine.
Yeah.
Just
Save that extra couple of bucks.
Yep.
Put a V8 in there and then take $200 to fill it up.
Yep.
Every other day.
Right now, that's my piece of gravy.